Hi, welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn how to make this cotton candy princess. And I feel more like a fairy, just I don't have wings. But it doesn't matter because I feel like a fairy and a princess in a cotton candy dress. I think this will be awesome to wear with a strapless, probably a pink. You can wear black or white dress or yellow dress, since you have like some yellow around. It will look awesome if you don't want to be scary this Halloween. So if you like this look and you want to learn how to do it, just keep watching. I'm going to start by blocking my eyebrows, and I'm just using glue and a stick. This is a water-based glue, so it will come off with water, and don't worry about it. Just make sure you apply enough to actually block your hairs. Ball caps can be tricky sometimes and expensive, and I didn't need one for this look. I really wanted to make it easy for you guys, so I'm using plastic wrap. And this is the type of wrap that you use in your kitchen, and I'm just wrapping my head all around, putting all my hair away. For the cotton candy texture on my head, I'm using cotton balls, and I'm just also applying some liquid latex to actually glue all the cotton balls into my head. Make sure you apply enough liquid latex to hold all the cotton in place, and also be aware that if you're doing this by yourself, you might need help to finish the back of your head. Now that my eyebrows are dry, I'm going to use a full coverage foundation. I'm using All Nighter from Urban Decay, and this is a very pale tone because I want to look like a doll. For setting powder, I'm using Easy Bake from Huda Beauty, and I think it's just perfect. I really like these powders, and it smells like a cupcake, so I think it goes with the theme. For colors, I really wanted to use these Plushies Squats from Lime Crime because I think they have the perfect tones. And I'm using light pink and hot pink from the palette to achieve this look on my face by painting in the inner corner, in the outside corner of the eyes, going very hard with the blush. And I really like this eyeshadows. They're very, very pigmented, so I'm going to use them also on my body. I'm using pink hairspray to color my cotton candy hair, and I'm also leaving some blank spaces because I don't want a solid pink hair for this look. This peel off glitter glue from Gypsy Shrine is amazing. I'm using it for the sprinkles, but you could also use latex or anything like that. I'm just kind of allergic to latex, so I try to avoid it when I can. For the lips, I'm using a hot pink lipstick, and I'm also doing it in a geisha shape because I think it looks super cute. I wanted more color, so I went back to my shadows and picked that yellow color that was calling my name, and I think it ended up looking very, very good. To integrate the wig more, I went with some eyeshadow under the edges and also add a little piece of hair because it looks so cute, and I didn't want this to look like a swimming cap. And I'm using Super Beauty Hydro Liners to add some dots and little details to make this look more professional. It's time for our lashes, and I'm using the biggest lashes I could find, and this one was giving me a lot of troubles, but I got it. I made it happen. And to finish this look, I went with some purple highlighter, and I really love how it looks. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment what are you gonna be this Halloween. Are you thinking maybe something scary, something cute, something sexy? I want to know your ideas, so please let me know on the comments. And I will see you on my next video. Bye!